Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change Gmail profile picture or Gmail DP on your Android or iPhone. So the first step is, if you are iPhone or Android user, don't worry, the process is same for iPhone and Android. The first step is open the Gmail app and select your Gmail account. Then click on Gmail profile here. Now click on your logo here. Now you can see the option for change Gmail here. Click on change. Now you can choose from your device or illustration, and I choose device. Click on browse or take a photo. Click on photo library and select the image here like this and click on done. You can see photo is uploading, and now click on, after adjusting the photo, click on next. Save as profile picture, tap on this. You can see saving profile picture on Gmail, and now that's it, profile picture updated. As you can see, my profile is now updated and changed. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.